You know, these switches really surprised me. 10 American dollars for 45 switches? The switches obviously can't be that good, right? I mean, less than 25 cents per switch? It just doesn't add up. At least that's what I thought. But Akko has actually done a really good job at crafting their CS line of switches, which include the matcha green linears, which have a 50-gram operating force, the ocean blue tactiles at about a 55-gram operating force with a 1.9mm pre-travel before the bump, and the rose red linear switch at about a 43-gram operating force. Personally, I bought 45 of the blues and green switches because they were in stock when I went to order some. And from my experience, the reds sell out quite quickly, so if you're interested, definitely keep that in mind. I also found that for me shipping directly from Akko costed me about $10 USD, bringing my order to about 30 bucks. But if I had made the same order from Amazon, it would have cost me $2 less because of shipping. So, when ordering your own switches, keep in mind the prices of shipping and product from each seller to find the best option for you. Because these are budget switches, I lube them with my budget lube option, Vaseline, which I talked about in a previous video of mine. It is definitely not because I can't afford any krytox right now, shut up. I found that the switches sounded quite scratchy, and there is a healthy amount of spring ping, but that's all fixed with lube. I could go on and on about why these switches are extremely good for the price, but, as always, a sound test would speak much louder than I can right now. Here it is.